Students, today we will start a new exercise of algebraic expression from R.S. Agrawal book 8D. In this exercise, we will study about the simplification. Up to last exercise, we have studied up to addition and subtraction. We have studied how we have to add the monomial, trinomial and the other. Here, we will simplify the numbers. As we have studied the simplification, in the same way same formulas will copy. Means firstly we have to divide, then multiply, then we have to add, then we have to subtract. Now in the first question it has given simplify a minus in the bracket b minus c sorry a minus in the bracket b minus 2a bracket off. So whenever bracket will open, minus, here one minus is given, that sign will multiply with each term which is present inside of the bracket. As you can see, inside of the bracket it can't be add or subtract because these two terms b minus 2a are unlike terms. So whenever bracket will open, their sign will be changed. So plus b become change into minus b and minus 2a change into plus 2a. Here we will put together the like terms. Here a plus 2a minus b. A plus 2a can be add and it became 3a and minus b. Now these are unlike terms, so they can't add or subtract. Next it has given simplification. It is an interesting question. It has given in the first bracket a square plus b square plus 2ab and minus. Now in the second bracket same type of terms are given, only one sign is changed, a square plus b square minus 2ab. So bracket will open and this minus will multiply with each term of the second bracket. So first term will remain same, so it has written a square plus b square plus 2ab, and whenever second bracket open, their sign became changed, plus a square change into minus a square, plus b square change into minus b square, minus 2ab change into plus 2ab. Now we will, next step we will put together the like terms, a square minus a square, b square minus b square, plus 2ab plus 2ab, a square subtracted by a square, b square subtracted by b square, and 2ab plus 2ab it becomes 4ab. Next is the simplification, in which it has given minus 3. There is no any sign between the bracket and the number. If there is no any sign between the bracket and a number, in that condition we have to put a sign of multiplication. So here is a sign of multiplication. Minus 3 in the bracket a plus b, as I have shown as arrows that outside minus 3 will multiply with each term, means a and b both, and here plus 4 in the second bracket 2a minus 3b and minus 2a minus b. Here firstly when bracket will open, minus 3 will multiply with a and b both, so it has written here minus 3 is multiplied with a and minus 3 is multiplied with b. Here plus 4 is multiplying with 2a and plus 4 is multiplying with 3b, and here minus is only given, so minus will multiply with each term inside of the bracket, means 2a and minus b, and their sign will be changed. So minus is multiplying with 2a, it became minus 2a, and minus b is multiplied with minus, it became plus b. So we have to multiply and put together the like terms. Here given the multiplication minus 3 and a, it became minus 3a. Minus 3 multiplied with b, it became minus 3b. 4 multiplying with 2a, it became 8a. Minus 4 multiplying with 3b, it became minus 12b. And here minus 2a plus b. Now we will put together the like terms. minus 3a minus 8 minus 2a minus 3b minus 12b plus b. Total 6 terms are present here. So whatever the terms are addable, as example minus 3 and minus 2 can be added because both are negative terms, and negative terms can be added but their sign will be remain. So it became minus 5a, and here 3b minus 12b added, it became minus 15b. So it became minus 5a plus 8a and minus 15b plus b. So 8a will subtract 5a and it became 3a, and here 15b will subtract b and it became 14b. We will put a sign of minus before the 14 because 15b was greater than 1b. So we will put a sign of minus. So its answer we have found 3a minus 14b. Next question, for the simplification it has given minus 4x square plus middle bracket is given, and after it a small bracket is given 2x square minus 3 bracket of minus 4 minus 3x square bracket of small bracket of and the curly bracket of. So first of all, whenever bracket is given, so firstly we have to solve brackets. Now I have solved the bracket here. Open the bracket, 2x square minus 3, and here minus sign is given, so inside terms sign will be changed. So plus 4 become changed into minus 4, and minus 3x square change into plus 3x square. Next step, we will put together the like terms. 2x square and 3x square are like terms, minus 3 and minus 4 are also like term, so they will add. So 3x square and 2x square, it became 5x square, and minus 3 and minus 4 became minus 7. Now the curly bracket will open and it became 4x minus 4x square plus 5x square minus 7. Minus 4x square and 5x square are like terms, so they will subtract because one was positive and one was negative, so they will do a work of subtraction. 4x square will subtract, 5x square will subtract 4x square, so it is getting answer x square, and it remained minus 7. Next, simplification, minus 2 inside the bracket x square minus y square plus xy, and just after it has given minus 3. Now in the bracket x square plus y square minus xy. Now as I have shown through arrow that minus 2 will multiply each term of the first bracket and minus 3 will multiply each term of the second bracket. So minus 2 is multiplying with x square, it became minus 2x square. Minus 2 is multiplying with y minus y square, so it is getting plus 2y square, and minus 2 is multiplying with xy, so it is getting minus 2xy. Now in the second bracket, minus 3 is multiplying with x square, so it is getting minus 3x square. Minus 3 is multiplying with y square, so it is getting minus 3y square, and minus 3 is multiplying with minus xy, so it is getting plus 3xy. Now we will put together the like terms. I am underlining the like terms, minus 2x square minus 3x square as we have put here. Next, plus 2y square minus 3y square, so we will put together 2y square minus 3y square, and here last it has remained 2 minus 2xy plus 3xy. Now we will solve. If the numbers are, means if the signs are same, then they will add, and otherwise their signs are different, then they will subtract. So here both signs are same, so they will add, so it became minus 5x square. Here different signs are here, so they will subtract. So 3y square subtracted 2y square, so it became minus y square. 3xy subtracted 2xy, it is getting xy. By mistake I have written 3xy, so you will remain improve it and you will write 1xy. Next question, it has given minus x plus 5 large bracket 5y minus in curly bracket x minus in a small bracket 5y minus 2x. So we will open the bracket. Firstly we will open a small bracket and 5y, before the small bracket there was a sign of minus, so inside term sign will be changed. Plus 5y change into minus 5y, minus 2x change into plus 2x. Next, firstly we have to put together the like terms, as I have written here 2x plus x minus 5y. So it became 3x minus 5y. Now the curly bracket will open and the outside minus sign is there. It means the inside sign will be changed. Plus 3x change into minus 3x and minus 5y change into plus 5y. So we will put together the like terms. So 5y will put with 5y, 5y, 5y. We will put together and minus 3x. So minus x is outside, so 5y plus 5y became 10y. It was a sign of plus, so there will be no any changing of the sign inside of the bracket. So it became minus x plus 10y minus 3x. So we will put together the like terms. Minus x and minus 3x are like terms, so we will put together and 10y will remain separate. So it became both sign are same, so they will add. It became minus 4x plus 10y. Next question, it is a very long question. You have to understand, and otherwise you can forget the process how you have to solve. It has given 86 minus 15x minus 7, and inside of the bracket it has given 6x minus 9 bracket of minus 2 curly bracket 10x minus 5 inside of the bracket in a small bracket 2 minus 3x a small bracket of curly bracket of large bracket of. As I have directed through the arrows, which number will multiply with the which numbers. So firstly we have to open the small brackets. Here minus 7 will multiply with 6x. Rest of the terms will remain same, as 86 is written outside minus 15x is written outside, but 7 will multiply with 6x. It became 42x minus 42x. Minus 7 is multiplying with minus 9. It became plus 63. And minus 2 is written outside of the curly bracket. And after it 10x is given. And minus 5 is multiplying with 2 minus 3x. Minus 5 is multiplied with 2, it became minus 10. And 5 is multiplied with minus 3x is equal to plus 15x. So now it will open the bracket. Open the bracket, curly bracket will open, and minus 2 will multiply with each term. Either you can firstly solve, put together the like terms and solve, then you can continue this. But here I have used another way. Firstly I have opened the bracket and then I have solved. So minus 2 multiplied with 10x, it became minus 20x. Minus 2 is multiplied with minus 10, it became plus 20. Minus 2 is multiplied with 15x, it became minus 30x. Now in this condition we will put together the like terms. As we have kept 15x minus 42x minus 20x and minus 30x. So all negative terms will add together and then it will subtract the positive term. All these three negative terms addition became minus 92x and it will subtract 15x, and the constant sum became 63 plus 20 is equal to 83. So 92 will subtract 15x. It is getting the answer minus 77x plus 83. Now bracket will open. The outside minus sign is given. So sign will be changed which are present inside. So minus 77x became changed into plus 77x and plus 83 became changed into minus 83. Now 86 will subtract 83 and then plus 77x. So 86 subtracted 83, it became 3 plus 77x. Either we can write also 77x plus 3. Next question. See, it has given for the simplification question, you can read 3 minus large bracket x minus curly bracket 2y minus 5 in a small bracket 5x plus y minus 3 small bracket of plus 2x square curly bracket of minus x square minus 3y. Now we have to open all small brackets firstly. Here whatever the numbers outside of the bracket, that will remain same. Outside of the small bracket, whatever the numbers are present or variables are present, that will remain same. Means this part will remain same, this part will remain same, but whatever the changes, only if the present here is a minus sign, so inside terms will be just opposite with opposite sign. As 5x become changed into minus 5x, plus y change into minus y, minus 3 change into plus 3. As you can say, these underlined term are remained same. And here bracket became open, minus is there, so inside will change, inside terms will be changed. Plus x square change into minus x square, minus 3y change into plus 3y. So now we will open the curly bracket. Curly bracket opened, and outside of the curly bracket there is given a sign of minus. So each term will be changed. Plus 2y change into minus 2y, minus 5x change into plus 5x, minus y change into plus y, plus 3 change into minus 3, 2x square plus 2x square change into minus 2x square, and it has written minus x square plus 3y. Now we will put together the like terms. X 5x. Is any x here? No. So x plus 5x. Now 2y minus 2y, this is y, this is 3y. So minus 2y plus y plus 3y. And next minus 3. We will write firstly x square, minus 2x square and minus x square, it will together, and minus 3. Wherever the sign are same, then they will add, and wherever the signs are different, they will subtract. So 5x plus x, sign are same, so they will add, it becomes 6x. And here 3y plus y added, it became 4y minus 2y. It has 2x square minus x square change into minus 3x square and minus 3. Next step, minus 3 is outside, minus 6x and 4y will subtract 2y, it became 2y. It has written 2y minus 3x square minus 3. When bracket will open, then their sign will be changed. So minus 6, so plus 6x change into minus 6x, plus 2y change into minus 2y, plus 3x square minus 3x square change into plus 3x square, minus 3 change into plus 3. Now we will put together the like terms. Only constant terms are like terms, so we will put together. So 3 and 3 is written here, 3 plus 3 minus 6x minus 2y plus it has written 2y plus 3y square. So our answer we have got 6 minus 6x minus 2y plus 3y square. This is the correct answer of this simplification. Next, it has given 2a minus 3b minus in the large bracket 3a minus 2b minus inside of the curly bracket a minus c minus in a small bracket a minus 2b, a small bracket of curly bracket of and the large bracket of. Now firstly we have to open this small bracket. Outside sign is minus, so whenever the bracket will open, the each term sign will be changed. So it became minus a and plus 2b. So now curly bracket will open, so minus sign is also given, so inside terms will be changed. Plus a change into minus a, minus c change into plus c, minus a change into plus a, and plus 2ab change into minus 2ab. Now we will put together the like terms, and outside term will be remain same, there will be no any changing. So 3a minus a plus a, 3a minus a plus a, minus 2b minus 2b and plus c, and a will subtracted by a because one was negative and one was positive, so it remained only 2a minus 3b minus in the large bracket 3a minus 4b plus c. Now 2a minus 3b, now bracket became opened, plus 3a change into minus 3a, minus 4b change into plus 4b, plus c change into minus c. So we will put together the like terms. 2a minus 3b, we put together minus 3b plus 4b and minus c. Whenever different signs will be there, they will subtract. Here minus and plus, minus plus, plus minus is given, so we will subtract. So 3a subtracted 2a, it became minus a, 4b subtracted minus 3b, it became b and remained c. So our answer we have got minus a plus b minus c. In next question it has given 2a minus 4b, 2a minus in large bracket 4b minus in curly bracket 4a minus in a small bracket 3b minus in bar bracket 2a plus 2b, a small bracket of, curly bracket of and the large bracket of. Firstly we have to solve this bar bracket. When these terms will open, these both are positive numbers. Whenever the bar bracket will remove, they will change into negative terms. So it became change into 2a minus 2b. Rest terms will be remain same. So now small bracket became opened, and whenever as the small bracket became opened, then every term sign became changed because the outside the sign of minus is present. So minus is multiplied with plus 3b, change into minus 3b, minus 2a change into plus 2a, minus 2b change into plus 2b. So now we have to firstly put together the like terms. 4a plus 2a minus 3b plus 2b. So after the solving it, we have got 6a minus b. Now curly bracket will open, then 6a plus 6a change into minus 6a because minus sign was there outside, and minus b change into plus b. So we will put together the like terms. So 4b and the b is the like terms, so we will put together, and minus 6a. So 4b plus b is equal to 5b minus 6a. So whenever the bracket will open, the minus sign is given outside, so their sign will be changed. So plus 5b change into minus 5b, minus 6a change into plus 6a. So firstly we will put together the like terms. 6a and 2a are like terms, so we will put together 6a plus 2a minus 5b. So 8a is the sum of 6a plus 2a, and minus 5b will remain same. Last question of this exercise, and this is very long question, so don't be impatient. With a deep patience you have to understand it, because it is an important and a very tough question, but whenever you will understand it, it will like a play for you. 5x minus in the curly bracket 4y minus again I am repeating the question, 5x minus in large bracket 4y minus curly bracket 7x minus in a small bracket 3z minus 2y plus 4z minus in a small bracket 3x plus 3y minus 2z. Here this minus 3 will multiply with each term which is present inside, as I am showing with the arrow. Means 3 is multiplying with x, minus 3 is multiplying with x, it became minus 3x. Minus 3 is multiplying with 3y, it became 3 3 ja 9, minus 9y. And third, minus 3 is multiplying with minus 2, 3 2 ja 6, and minus became plus, it became plus 6z. And here this bracket will also open, so outside minus sign is there, so it will multiply with each term and change the each term sign. So plus 3x change into minus 3z, 3z will change into minus 3z, and minus 2y change into 2y. Now firstly we will put together the like terms as 7x, now 3x. Now these two terms will write together, minus 3z, so plus 4z plus 6z. These three terms will write together, and plus 2y minus 9y. So wherever the different signs will be there, then they will do a work of subtraction, and rest of them they will do a work of addition. So 7x minus 3x is equal to 4x, and 6 4 10x, 6 4 10x, either you can say 4x will subtract 4z will subtract 3z, it became z plus 6z minus 7y. So in the next step, 5x minus 4y minus, now 4x and z plus 6z is equal to 7z minus 7y. So whenever the bracket will open, their sign will be changed, plus 4x change into minus 4x, plus 7z change into minus 7z, and minus 7y change into plus 7y. So we will put together the like terms. These two are like terms, 7y and the 4y. Next, 7y and the 4y add together, it became 11y and minus 4x minus 7z. So when bracket will open, their sign will again change, because a minus sign is outside. So plus 11y change into minus 11y, minus 4x change into plus 4x, and minus 7z is equal to change into plus 7z. We will put together the like terms. 4x and 5x are like terms, so we will put together. 4x and 5x both are positive terms, so they will add and it become 9x, and rest of the term will remain same because these terms are unlike terms. So 7z minus 11y, its correct answer is 9x plus 7z minus 11y. Our algebraic expression is complete. You have to complete your copy with help of these videos. For getting the more videos of the more chapters, you have to subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and like this channel.